Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Tonight you're joining us in Pattaya, Thailand, and we're at the Runway market to get some food. And there's only a bloody 747 parked here. I've fetched you here before in the past, but for you new guys that have never been here, I want to show you around. Lots of food to choose from. And like I say, a bloody great 747 parked in the middle of it. So much choice. And that's the big Ferris wheel that they just finished building last time we were here, but now it's fully working. That is literally the aeroplane. The lights are hanging off the bottom of the aeroplane. And of course, because I'm tall, I'm going to ducking underneath the aeroplane. Hey, mint. Crocodile skewers. So I'm getting myself a chicken skewer and some of the pork with basil and fried rice, and she promised me it's not big spicy, just no spicy. And kapow. So I've got the pork with the basil, chilies, rice and egg, and there's my chicken stick. I hope it's chicken and not chicken ass. I asked last time, he said no. I haven't poured that beer very well, have I? Need an ice cream? Need a flake, sorry. It's unbelievable that there is a 747 just there.
Baby pineapples.
Mini pineapples.
Yeah, you shouldn't be eating them, it's cruel.
And I got a bag full. Cruel eat them. So folks, there you have it. That is the Runway market here in Pattaya. Why is it called Runway market? The big bloody plane, that's why. Anywho, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, do all that good stuff. See you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job.